Hi friends, today we are going to learn how to keep our bodies clean and healthy. Let's play a matching game. Look at the girl in the bathtub. She is having a great time to get all the dirt off her skin. What does she need? Think. That's right, soap. Next up, look at these pearly whites. To keep our breath fresh and teeth strong, we use our toothbrush and toothpaste. Match them up. Finally, look at all those bubbles in the hair. To make our hair soft and clean, we need our favorite shampoo. Draw a line straight to the bottle.
Let's get clean, it's a happy day. Time for fun in a bubbly way. Take a bath, then grab the soap. Brush your teeth and make them glow. Wash your hair